This is financial reporting paper of CPA intermediate level. This was done on 23rd August 2023. And the first question, International Public Sector Accounting Standard IPSAS 24 presentation of budget information in financial statements requires a comparison of budget amounts and the actual amounts arising from execution of the budget to be included in the financial statements of entities that are required to or erect to make publicly available their approved budgets and for which they are therefore held publicly accountable. With reference to International Public Sector Accounting Standard IPSAS 24, differentiate between original budget and final budget. Explain the requirements of the standard where there are changes between the original and final budget. Summarize two key disclosure requirements of the standard. Citing two practical examples, explain the meaning and application of predictive analytics in the context of financial analysis. With reference to International Accounting Standard IAS 21, the effect of changes in foreign exchange rates. Describe the procedure for translating results and financial position of a foreign entity. Then we have question 2. Question 2, required the head office, branch, and combined statement of profit or loss for the year ended that 1st December 2022. The head office, branch, and combined statement of financial position as at that 1st December 2022 in a columnar format. B. Roy Limited has provided the following information to be used in inventory valuation. Require determine the value of closing inventory for Roy Limited in compliance with International Accounting Standard IAS 2 inventories. Then C. On 1st January 2022, a farmer had a herd of 100 cattle, all of which were 2 years old. At this date, the farmer value Rest point of sale cost of the herd was shillings 10 million. On 1st July 2022, the farmer purchased 20 cattle, each 2.5 years old, for shillings 60,000 each. As at that 1st December 22, 3-year-old cattle were selling at the market for shillings 90,000 each. Market auctioneer usually charge a sales levy of 2%. Required valuation of cattle bought on 1st July 2022, valuation of cattle as at that 1st December 2022, and total charge to statement of profit and loss for the year ended that 1st December 2022. Then question 3, required calculate the value of goodwill arising on acquisition of Shiba Limited. Determine the value of investment in Amua Limited as at 30th April 2023. Prepare a consolidated statement of financial position for Pika Group as at 30th April 2023. Question 4. Required cash flow statement for Rirongwe Limited for the year ended that 1st March 2023 in line with International Accounting Standard IAS 7 cash flow statement. And B, require describe how the classification as held for sale and subsequent disposal should be treated in financial statement of Rima Limited. State how your response in B1 Roman 1 above would change if the carrying amount of the asset at 30th September 2022 was shillings 5 million and the rest of the amount remained unchanged. Then C, determine if provision is necessary and the best estimate of provision if any. And question 5, the foreign financial statement required the foreign financial presented in a suitable format for publication. Statement of profit or loss for the year ended at 1st December 2022. Statement of changes in equity for the year ended at 1st December 2022. And the statement of financial position as at that 1st December 2022. Let us go to the answers now. So this is the first answer to question 1. Have A, Roman 1, Roman 2. Then we have B, and we have C, and then we have question 2, the statement of profit or loss for the year ended that 1st December 2022. We have head office, branch, and then we have the combined result. Then we have the working for that question. And then we have the statement of financial position of Somalex. We have head office, branch, and then we have the combined result. Then we have B, the value of closing inventory, valuation of the cattle bought on 1st July, valuation of cattle, total charge. Then question 3, the value of goodwill arising on acquisition of Shiba Limited, the value of investment in Amua Limited as 30th April 2023. Then we have the working 1, 2, working 3, up to working 4. Then we have C, the consolidated statement of financial position as at 30th April 2023. Then we have question 4, the cash flow statement of Lilongwe Limited. Then we have working 1, working 2, working 3, up to working 4. Then we have part B, then we have question 5, BD Limited statement of profit or loss for the year ended that 1st December 2022. Have working 3, working 4, working 5, working 6, working 7, working 8. Then we have the statement of changes in equity, and then C, statement of financial position of BD Limited as at that 1st December 2022. So that is it. So those were the questions that were tested and the suggested answers